G'day everyone. Oh, it's that time of year again. School holidays. Ooh, you love them or you hate them, or you just tolerate them like most people. So, school holidays for us is camping. But it's also camping for everyone. So, I love camping. I hate people. Especially when I'm camping and they're sitting on top of you in their fancy little caravans. So, I generally try and find a spot that no one knows about. So I'll go full driving a bit beforehand, go through some places I've never been to, maybe go to an old place I have before, and find somewhere that's off the beaten track. So found somewhere this time. It's in Kalpowar State Forest. So hopefully no one's been. I've driven past it a few times now, and no one's been there. It's nice. It's on the side of a little river down there, and hopefully we can get it, set up the tent. Got the mother-in-law coming though, so it's going to be fun. No shenanigans in the tent. The kids are on the other side, so we've got a new tent. It's a Coleman dark 10p. So I don't know if you got kids or not, but if you do, second there's a crack of light coming through anywhere, those little bastards are awake. And I like a little bit of sleep in when I'm camping, and that doesn't happen when you got kids. So this thing's supposed to be 95% darker. Haven't tried it yet. It's first test run. And we'll see how we go. I'm just going to do a little bit of video as I'm going putting the stuff through. Maybe talking, maybe not. And just show you what I put in there. Kids are a little bit older now, so it's a bit easier to go. We don't have to take quite as much. But I've got 2 daughters, so I still take a lot of stuff. So I'll catch you on the other side of this, and hopefully it'll turn out to be a good video. Cheers for watching.
Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young, it doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like, there ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high, ain't nobody like you, I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you, I could go 1,000 miles as long as...
Sure, she had reminded her of a lot more bits.
Not the mayo.
No, that's right.
That's what I said. You like tennis. Hey? Yep, that's Daddy's one. You gotta twist it, remember? That's it.
Yep.
Oh, good job. And then I put a normal packet of wipes as well, because I've got the wipe down.
I lost it. I just got it last year.
to making a campfire is getting your kindling. It's small, dried up sticks. So you get your kindling and you start throwing them into the fire. Once you finish your kindling, you should start to build your structure with more bigger. You need a lot of kindling on the fire. We wanted to get wood. Here's some safety tips on making a fire as well. You make sure you don't just have an open fire. You make sure you have rocks around it, because if it was an open fire, it could just spread around. Also, you should make sure your fire isn't too close to lots of leaves and dead sticks, because that could, if it's windy, it could spread to all those sticks and catch them on fire. And then the whole place will be on fire, so no one wants that. Once you finish your kindling, you make this shape. Make sure it's a suitable length for your fire as well. You make sure your kindling is in the middle. Because you need your kindling in the middle, because that's basically the power up.
Here we go.
Here we go.
All right.
No, yours is big and so
Exactly.
Yours is the biggest one, Daddy. The biggest.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't have a plan and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful. And I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Talking by yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you, listening to our favorite song. Walking on the street when you caught my eye, something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. So lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. 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 Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. And you're taking me